shop the Divine collection from E&L Beauty. This is our limited collection. Order it right now from our website www.enlbeautyng.com. Linda here, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time since I filmed a makeup tutorial, and I recalled today that it's some people subscribing to my channel because of makeup. I started my YouTube channel with makeup videos, so why not film a makeup tutorial even if you feel like your makeup skills have become rusty? But guys, it's a makeup tutorial. Let's get into it. You want to ensure that your hands are clean, so get a wipe and clean up your hands so you don't put your dirty hands on your face. To prime my skin, I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. I used my eyebrow area, my eyelids. Foundations right here. I'm going to mix it. So 1, 2 pumps. I'm going to use this beauty blender. I'm mixing the foundation at the back of my palm, then I'll start to apply it all over my face. I feel like these two combinations is what matches my skin best. So ever since I realized that the combination of these two foundations matches my skin really well, I've been using it. One thing I noticed with very professional bridal makeup artists is they tend to mix foundations to get the perfect shade. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this concealer here from LA Girl named Cooltan. I'm going to take a lighter foundation on the corners of my eyes, right here. Back to the beauty blender. Start blending the concealer on my forehead area in. Just tap, 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 tap. Then my under eye area. Taking it up here. To contour my face, I'm going to use this Revlon foundation in the shade Mocha. Yeah, I believe this is Mocha. Ever since I used this foundation as my contour shade, I literally fell in love with it. I love the undertones of this foundation for my contour. It gives you that natural contour look. So tap, 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 tap. Let's put some inside the bottoms here. So guys, next to set the contours on my face, I'm going to use this Mary Kay loose powder. It's in the shade Bronze 2. Let's put some of it on this here. This part of my face right here. Bronze 2 here. Bronze 2 here. I also want to set my forehead area with the Bronze 2 powder. So I'm just taking the powder and dabbing. Yeah. Using this fluffy blending brush right here. I'm going to use this Milani powder in the shade medium, Milani medium powder. I'm going to use this powder to set my under eye area and the bridge of my nose. The bridge of my nose, same powder. My forehead area, same powder. Upper lip area, basically. Cut out my cheek. For my blush, I'm going to use an eyeshadow from this palette right here. And this palette is from ENO Beauty, named the Divine Palette. I'm going to use this orange eyeshadow right here for my blush. I'm taking it on a beauty blender. And I'm going to dab it on my cheekbones. Right here. And also extend it towards my forehead area a bit. Just put that blush there. Yes. Put it on my forehead area. I want a little pop of color there. I like it. Put it here and extend it forward. Like so. Yes. Okay, I absolutely love this blush. So beautiful. Beautiful. So beautiful. So I'm gonna put a little bit of it on my nose area. Just dust it there slightly. It's time to get into the brows. First, I'm gonna brush my eyebrow hairs to go in the same direction, backwards. And next, I'm gonna start to fill them in as natural as possible. Yeah, here too. Brush the skin. To define my brows, I'm using concealer. For my eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the shadow right here named Onyeka. This one. I'm gonna smoke Onyeka around my eyelids. Right here. Just blend, 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 blend. So guys, next for my bottom lash line, I'm going to use this black eyeshadow here named Anna. Anna, I love you! So I'm going to smoke it on my bottom lash line. Right here. Yeah. It's so black. So black. Upward and put it in here. I'm gonna use the old MacBook eyeliner pencil. Mascara, and I'm gonna be using this mascara here from A&L Beauty. It's a volumizing mascara, and this mascara is sold out. You no longer have it in stock. So I'm gonna use this to wake my lashes up. We're not doing any mascara, any false lashes for this look. Just natural lashes. Yeah. Oh my, and I haven't even done my lips. Wow. Girl, is this you? Ooh. Ooh. My lips, I'm using this coffee lip liner from A&L Beauty. Just using my pressing it against each other to sort of blend it in. And for my gloss, I'm gonna use this gloss from A&L Beauty. It's named the Kylie lip gloss. I'm going to apply Kylie all over my lips. Beautiful look. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. Let me know your thoughts on how this makeup look turned out. If you like it, let me know in the comment section. If you want to check out products that I used from this for this look from A&L Beauty, I'm going to link our website in the description box or in the comment section, so you could head over to our website to buy this eyeshadow palette right here. If not for any other eyeshadow, at least for this orange eyeshadow that is here, you'd absolutely love this orange eyeshadow, or even this brown eyeshadow. But then all of these eyeshadows in here are very pigmented. You really love them. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I love you. I hope you recreate this look. Remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life, and I'll see you in my next video.